Let me show the most effective method on how to make money using YouTube Shorts. This strategy requires no initial investment and it works worldwide. And the best part about this method is you don't need to appear on camera or show your face. You won't even be making videos yourself. I will take you through all steps required, from choosing a niche to monetizing your content. If you follow all the steps in this video, you'll be easily making over $1,500 easily from one single video. Before I start, I want you to quickly like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. Now to begin, the first step is to choose a profitable niche. To find the best niche for shorts, head over to this free online tool called vidIQ. Now over here type in the niche you want to research about. Let's try searching for the food niche. As you can see here, the search volume is over 3 million for this, which means a lot of people are interested in watching videos in this niche. Now these videos here get tens of millions of views. The best part is you don't even have to show your face or even record the videos yourself. Just keep watching this video because I'm going to share a secret software that no one in the world knows about. With the help of that software, you will be able to create videos very easily for free. Before I share my secret software with you, I want you guys to comment down below which country you are watching from so that I can bring methods that'll work best in your countries. Let's head over to step 2 now, where we will be finding the content for our videos. I want you to head over to Google and type in any search related to food. I will be searching for best food for meeting protein needs, as my doctor recently suggested me to increase my protein intake. Now just scroll down and select any article you like. Once you are done with this, you are ready to move to the third step where we will be making our video. Now the software I'm going to share here works on any PC and is absolutely free to use. I want you to head over to InVideo where the magic will happen. On this software, you can make professional and stunning videos using the article you selected earlier. Here I want you to select text to video and make sure that vertical format is selected as well. Just scroll through these amazing templates until you find the one you like. I'm going to continue with this one, it looks good to me. Make sure vertical format is selected and then proceed by selecting this template. Now you will see 3 options here. Just go back to the article you selected and input the article in the fields given here. Make sure auto-select videos and images is turned on. Now just grab a sip of coffee till this software makes an amazing video for you. Wow, that was quick, and just like that our video is ready. I will quickly select a nice song for the video from this bar on the left. And remember, if you don't like anything in the video, you can change the background video, style, or text that is displayed. Once you are finished with all of this, just click on download over here and then export. And just like that, your video is ready. Let me play it for you for a little while. Wasn't that amazing? Now to download the video, just click on the download button over here. And all that is left now is to upload the video to your channel and start making money. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.